Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. We made it another week. All right, so here's your story problem for the day. It says, the cafeteria made 198 lunches for a field trip. They split the lunches into 15 bins with the same number of lunches in each bin. How many lunches are in each bin? So I went ahead and I did my cubes. I circled the numbers, 198 and 15. I underlined the question, how many lunches are in each bin? And I boxed in some important words. We're putting them into bins with the same amount in each bin. The same is the key word here, ladies. You cannot have 16 in one and 14 in another. That just doesn't work. It has to be the same amount. So make sure you keep that in mind. Go ahead and pause the video, solve it one way, and I'm going to show you one other way to do it. All right, you should have shown me a couple ways to do it however you can. I'm just going to show you one way, and then if you didn't do it, I need you to now show me then a different way, all right? So here's one way you can do it. When I'm thinking about this, I'm thinking, okay, we have 15 bins, right? And you're going to put one lunch into each bin every single time, right? Because you want it to be the same. So I might draw a picture to help me visualize it, but I know that I can just count by 15s. And then every single time I do a 15, that'll be one lunch in each of them. So I have 15 and I'm doing one. And I have to get up to 198 or as close as I can because they have to be the same. So if I just go ahead and I skip count, I'll figure out how I can get there and the closest I can. So 15, 30, 45. So if I'm skip counting, I'm adding 15 each time here. Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm adding 15, and I'm going to keep doing that until I get as close to this number as I can without going over. So every single time I add 15, that's another lunch in each of those bins. Okay, and I'm going to keep doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep adding the 15 again. So if I do another, that's going to give me 60. I'm going to do another one plus 15. That's 15. That's going to give me 75. I'm going to do another plus 15. Because again, I'm trying to get close to here, but not going over. Okay. That's going to give me 90. I'm going to do another plus 15. And remember, it's 90 and then plus 15. So I can just do 90 plus 10, which gives me 100, and then 100 plus 5 to give me 105. 105 plus 15. You can either do 105 plus 15, or if you need to break it down, 105 plus 5 gives you 110. 110 plus 10 gives you 120. Whatever you can do to make it a little bit quicker for you to do the math. Plus 15, it's going to give me 135. Plus 15, it's going to give me 150. So now if I look here, I'm going to keep going. And so now this would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So far I have 10 lunches in each of these bins, but I'm not quite done because I only have 150 and I know that I have 198 lunches. So I have to keep going. So another plus 15 is going to give me 165. Another plus 15 is going to give me 180. I'm getting close now. Another plus 15 is going to give me 195. Now, let's stop here, okay? That would be 10, so this is 11, 12, 13. This is 13 lunches so far in each of those bins with 195. I now have gone 195 lunches, and I have 198. Can I add another section? No, I can't, because there's only 198, and I'm already at 195, because if I added another 15, that's going to take me way over 200, and I don't have that many. So I have to stop here. I cannot go anymore, and I can't just add those last 3 there. So this is as far as I can go. This is how many lunches I were able to put into the bins, and this is how many are in each bin. I have 13 lunches in each bin. And that is your answer, okay? So again, if you did not do the problem because you were unsure, you got stuck, you were confused, you were just waiting for me, whatever the case may be, now I need you to show me a different way you can do it and send that in, okay, ladies? Have a fabulous, fabulous weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye.